In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Remitly account. This is perfect if you're looking to send money internationally and want a simple way to keep track of your transactions. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Remitly signup page. You'll find this easily by doing a quick search for Remitly signup or directly visiting the Remitly website. Once you're on the signup page, you'll notice a friendly layout prompting you to begin your journey with Remitly. Look out for the sign up button, which is typically highlighted or located near the top right of the page. Let's dive into the details of creating your account. Begin by typing in your email address. This will be the primary email you use for all communications with Remitly, so make sure it's an address you check regularly. If you don't already have an email address or you prefer to use a different one, spend a moment creating a new email or deciding which email suits your needs best for managing your financial transactions. Next, you need to come up with a strong, secure password. This is crucial for keeping your account safe. A good password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Try to create one that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Once you've thought of a solid password, go ahead and type it into the password field. Once you've entered your password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. This step is there to ensure that you've entered your desired password correctly and to prevent any typos that could lock you out of your account later. After you've entered and confirmed your password, go ahead and click on the Sign Up button. This action will register your email and password in the system. You might be prompted to verify your email address, and if so, simply check your email inbox for a verification message from Remitly and follow the instructions contained within it. Now it's time to select your account type. Remitly may offer different types of accounts depending on your needs. Take a moment to review the options and select the one that aligns best with your purposes, whether it's personal or business related. This choice can affect things like transaction limits and fees, so choose wisely based on how you plan to use the service. Lastly, finish up by clicking on the Continue button. This will wrap up your account setup process. You're now all set with your new Remitly account, ready to send funds anytime you need it. There you have it, a completed Remitly account setup. Remember, it's important to keep your account information private and secure at all times. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your Remitly account.